You're spending 2 hours a day on X, replying to influencers, posting content, staying visible, and the second you stop, your engagement dies. This is the X engagement agent. 4 triggers, 2 automatic, 2 on demand. Let me show you how it works. Trigger 1. I see a post I want to engage with. I screenshot it and drop it in this chat. Then 2 AI models battle it out to write the perfect reply. 3 seconds later, I get a reply I can copy and post. Trigger 2. I'm on my phone, I see a post. I forward it to my Telegram bot. The system reads it, analyzes it if there's an image, and sends me back a reply instantly. Copy, paste, done. Trigger 3 runs automatically. 8 times a day, the system generates original posts. Not motivational garbage. Actual automation tips. Workflow breakdowns. Things people want to read. Posted automatically. My feed stays active while I'm building client projects. And trigger 4. If anything breaks anywhere in the system, I get an instant alert. The system monitors itself. So instead of spending hours on X every day, I spend 30 seconds forwarding posts I want to engage with. Everything else runs automatically. Here's why I built this. I build N8N workflows and AI automation systems for clients. Every hour I spend manually engaging on X is an hour I'm not billing, not building, not solving actual problems. Before this system, I was spending 2 hours every single day on X, finding posts to comment on, crafting replies, scheduling content, monitoring engagement. That's 14 hours a week. That's almost 2 full workdays gone. At my consulting rate, that's $2,800 a week I was leaving on the table just to stay visible on social media. That's insane. Now, I spend 30 seconds in the morning forwarding 3 to 5 posts I want to engage with to my Telegram bot. That's it. The system handles the rest. The scheduled content runs automatically 8 times a day. I don't touch it. The error monitoring only pings me if something actually breaks, which is maybe once a week. I went from 14 hours a week to 3.5 minutes. And my engagement is actually better because the AI doesn't get tired, doesn't get distracted, doesn't miss posts. Let me show you what this looks like in practice. These are posts the system generated and posted automatically. These aren't viral. They're not getting thousands of likes. But that's not the point. The point is they're getting posted consistently 8 times a day without me doing anything. And the follower growth. I went from 3 followers to 24 in less than a week. That's a 700% increase. Not because the content went viral, but because I was consistently visible. The replies are strategic. They're not generic great post comments. They identify problems, suggest automation solutions, show I actually know what I'm talking about. People see the reply, check my profile, some of them follow. Now here's what I need you to understand. This system is powerful, and if it gets abused, X will catch on and shut it down for everyone. If you use this to spam hundreds of people with the same generic reply, you'll get banned. If you use this to promote scams or low-quality products, you'll get banned. If you just copy my prompts without customizing them to your voice, it'll sound like AI garbage and people will ignore you. The reason this works is because I'm selective. I only engage with 3 to 5 posts a day. I use dual AI validation to make sure replies sound human. I customize the system prompt to match my actual expertise and personality. If everyone starts using this to spam automation replies on every single post in their niche, X will flag it as bot behavior. And then none of us get to use it. That's why I'm not showing you the detailed node setup in this video. I built this workflow. I tested it for weeks. I commented on my target audience's posts every single day. It works. And I can't risk people copying it exactly and abusing it. The prompts are carefully engineered to avoid sounding like ChatGPT. The dual LLM setup prevents generic responses. The rate limiting prevents you from accidentally spamming. The error monitoring prevents silent failures that make you look like an idiot. All of this took time to build. And if I just hand it to you without context, you'll either break it or misuse it. But I will make a full tutorial breaking down every single node. How the dual AI validation works. How to structure prompts so they don't sound robotic. How to set up error handling. How to customize it for your niche and your voice. That video is coming, and it's only for subscribers. Why? Because if you're subscribed to this channel, you're already learning N8N. You understand automation ethics. You're not going to abuse this system because you actually care about building things the right way. Every tutorial I've made on this channel, the YouTube description updater, the comment auto-reply system, the content distribution workflow, they all come from real production systems I use every day. This is no different. And here's the thing. This isn't just about growing followers. It's about business leverage. Every hour I save on X engagement is an hour I can spend building client systems, creating better tutorials, or actually resting so I don't burn out. Since I automated this, I've taken on 2 more clients. I've shipped 3 new workflows. I've created 4 videos for this channel. None of that would have happened if I was still manually grinding on X for 2 hours a day. And the X growth? It's happening anyway. Automated engagement is still engagement. Automated content is still content. The algorithm doesn't care if a human or an AI wrote the post. It cares if people engage with it. So you've got 3 options here. Option 1, subscribe and wait for the full tutorial. I'll show you how to build this yourself, customize it, make it yours. You'll learn the system inside and out. Option 3, you do nothing. You keep spending 2 hours a day manually posting on X. You keep choosing between social media engagement and actual productive work. And in 6 months, you'll still be stuck in the same place. Don't pick option 3. Automate this, get your time back. And if you're already automating your X engagement, drop your setup in the comments. What tools are you using? N8N? Make? Zapier? What's working? What broke? I read every single comment and I genuinely want to see what you're building. I'm pinning a comment asking what automation workflow you want to see next. Top voted comment becomes the next video. So if you want to see LinkedIn automation, or Instagram DM workflows, or whatever, vote for it. 4 triggers. 2 automatic, 2 on-demand, 0 manual grinding. This is how you scale X engagement without losing your mind or your billable hours. Stop wasting time on tasks a machine can do better. Subscribe for the full breakdown. I'll see you in the next one.